Hello my friends! Today I bring you a true monster among electric scooters, the KUKIRIN G2 Max. It reaches over 34 miles per hour and can travel up to 50 miles on a single charge. Want to know if it's worth it? Then stick with me until the end. This model comes equipped with a 1000 watt motor, delivering enough power to reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour in ideal conditions. In real-world use, you can expect a consistent 30 miles per hour. It can also tackle climbs of up to 30 degrees effortlessly, perfect for those who need serious power. One of its biggest highlights is its 20 amp-hour 48-volt battery, which guarantees up to 50 miles of range in the most economical mode. In everyday use, you can expect around 38 to 42 miles of range, depending on the route conditions and weight, which is already excellent. The downside? A full recharge can take up to 11 hours. But considering the range, it's worth the wait. The wheels are 10 inches with block-type tires, which provide greater stability and safety on uneven terrain, whether paved streets, dirt roads, or even light sand. This makes all the difference when it comes to avoiding unexpected obstacles like potholes or rocks in the road. In terms of safety, the scooter comes with 140mm mechanical disc brakes on the front and rear. They do the job, but considering the high speeds, I would recommend upgrading to hydraulic brakes in the future, ensuring even more confidence. Comfort has also been well thought out. It is equipped with a 4-link shock absorber system, a swing arm type front suspension, and an adjustable spring rear suspension, which ensures stability even on the most difficult terrain. And it supports up to 264 pounds. The lighting system is quite comprehensive. A high-powered LED headlight, side lights, a tail light that flashes when braking, and even turn signals. This makes the scooter much safer to ride at night. Another unique feature is the seat, which can be removed or installed according to your needs, providing greater comfort. The KUKIRIN G2 Max is foldable and features one of the most robust locking systems on the market. This ensures safety and stability even at high speeds. The 69-pound weight can be a challenge, especially for those living in buildings without elevators, but the chassis's durability makes up for it. Another important point is the IP54 certification, which protects against dust and splashes. This means you can use it in a variety of conditions without fear. It can be used on wet roads, but is not recommended for heavy rain or immersion in water. The KUKIRIN G2 Max is one of the best value scooters in its category. It delivers power, range, and ruggedness at a very competitive price. If you're looking for speed and performance for long distances, this scooter will surprise you. So, did you like the KUKIRIN G2 Max? Leave a like. Subscribe to the channel and comment below if you dare to take on this monster on 2 wheels. See you in the next video.